Hey there, welcome to my drawing channel. Today I'll be drawing a panic button. So if you need something for school and a drawing like this, a button for panicking, you come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to draw that. Alright, first thing we'll want to do is we're going to draw an elliptical shape right up over here, top of our page. So we got an elliptical shape. Then we're going to draw another one just outside of that. So we're just going to follow this and we're just going to try to draw about the same shape. Then I'm going to come down on both sides. We're going to come straight down. And then now this elliptical shape, what we want to do is we want to draw the next elliptical shape a little bit wider than this, taller than that. Okay, so it's going to be the same length sideways, but it's going to be a little bit wider. Okay, so if your ellipse starts right here, this one's going to start right about here, and here's my shape. I'm just going to start drawing a little bit of a fatter, rounder shape like this. And I like to go a few times. Alright, and that way I can get the right shape. So there's going to be the lower part of my panic button right here. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another line. So right here I'm going to come up a bit and we're going to draw a curve. From there we're going to kind of follow this fairly close and we're going to go around like that. So it's almost like taking this ellipse and just outlining that with a little bit of a wider elliptical shape. Okay, so if you continue all the way through like that to the other side, you kind of continue like this. Then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one, but up here I'm going to be a little bit closer. Okay, we're going to end somewhere about there, but then we're going to get wider as we go down lower. So we're going to start here and we're going to get wider. So this will be wider than it is up here. And we'll just come and meet back up like that. Okay, and then we'll come down on both sides right about there and we'll follow that same elliptical shape and we'll go right across like that. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to draw panic because this is a panic button, so we're going to write panic up over here. So coming from the center line here, I'm going to come up and below this line. Okay, and we're going to go, if here's our center and we drew a line in this direction, we're going to taper this kind of like pointing to a vanishing point way up here, and on this side it'll be pointing in that direction. So these lines are going to kind of converge off of our page at the top. So I'm going to draw very lightly. I'll just try to space this out and write panic. I'll be able to outline this with a thicker black marker afterwards. So I'm just going to kind of put the thickness in so I know where I want all this to fit. And now around my panic button, I'm going to do this like little energy sunburst around it. So I'm going to start at the top here and I'm just going to do this like triangle shape like this. And what this is going to do is it's going to just be this round shape that's like all the way around my panic button. So as I come, I'm just going to start doing this like little sunburst like this, and then come down and they'll get like a little bit bigger down over here, and And as I go up, they'll get a little bit smaller. Just like that. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my ink pen and I'm going to outline all of these lines. Now just go and erase all of those pencil lines. Now if you're a student tutorial like this, just go down in the description, click the link, download the coloring page that looks exactly like this, and then you can have some fun coloring this in with me. Well, there you go. I just finished drawing a panic button. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click the like button and why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every weekday. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.